defects in fructose metabolism. In these defects, we'll mainly discuss three defects. One is essential fructosuria. Essential fructosuria. Fructosuria. Second is we'll discuss hereditary fructose intolerance. Hereditary fructose intolerance. Fructose intolerance. Third one is what happens when we consume high amount of fructose. Consumption of consumption of high fructose. High high fructose. Let us see the essential fructosuria. Here the enzyme that is deficient is fructokinase. The enzyme that is defective is fructokinase. Fructokinase. It is the enzyme defect. What this fructokinase does is it converts fructose to fructose 1 phosphate. Fructose 1 phosphate. So as there is defect in this fructokinase, fructose will get accumulated in the body. Will get accumulate in the body, and this will be seen in urine. Okay, this will be seen in urine. The treatment for this essential fructosuria is will restrict a diet containing fructose. Restriction of diet containing fructose. Okay, this is about essential fructosuria. The enzyme defective here is fructokinase, right? It is the enzyme defect. What actually this fructokinase does is it converts fructose to fructose 1 phosphate. As there is defect in this enzyme, fructose will get accumulated in the body, which will be seen in the urine. The treatment for this is restriction of diet containing fructose. This is about essential fructosuria. Then moving to hereditary fructosuria. Hereditary fructose intolerance. Hereditary fructose intolerance. Here the enzyme defect here is aldose B. Aldose B. This is the enzyme defect. What it actually does is aldose B converts fructose 1 phosphate to glyceraldehyde plus dihydroacetone phosphate. Acetone dihydroacetone phosphate. Okay, this is what it actually does. It converts fructose 1 phosphate to glyceraldehyde plus dihydroacetone phosphate. As there is defect in this aldose B, fructose 1 phosphate will accumulate in the body, right? Will accumulate. This fructose 1 phosphate which has got accumulated will allosterically inhibit an enzyme called phosphorylase. These inhibit phosphorylase. This phosphorylase is an enzyme which takes part in glycogenolysis. Okay. This enzyme it takes part in glycogenolysis. But as this enzyme phosphorylase is inhibited, glycogenolysis will not happen. That means glucose will not be produced. So otherwise the production of glucose will be impaired or will be reduced. Due to this, hypoglycemia will result. Hypoglycemia will result. So there will be hypoglycemia. And other symptoms include other symptoms. Other symptoms are, one is hepatic failure, hepatic failure, jaundice, jaundice. One more is vomiting. Okay. These are the clinical features. Treatment is restriction of diet containing fructose. Restriction of diet containing fructose. Okay. This is about hereditary fructose intolerance. Then moving to consumption of high fat. What happens if consume high fat? Sorry, what happens if we consume high fructose? Consumption of high fructose. Here, when we consume high fructose, this fructose will be converted to will be utilized for lipogenesis. Will be utilized for lipogenesis. Hence, the lipid content of our body will be increased. As all of us know, when there is increased lipid content, it leads to production of LDL, ILDL, or triglycerides. All this will give bad consequences. Okay, then disturbs the health. This is about consumption of high fat. This is something about defects in fructose metabolism. Thank you for watching.